Hey everybody! Today I made a tool that lets you choose a color and then choose another color and create an image with my logo, if that's something that interests you. You can do it either way. And then if you want to see ones that other people made, there they are. If that sounds like your bag, check out the link in the description, which I've never said that phrase in my life, and now I have said it. Link in the description. All right, let's do a CSS battle. Oh, yeah. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. Circles. And they're half circles, and they are obviously colored on their two white hemispheres, top and bottom. Several ways to do this. I think I want to make elements. So this is 3 elements. And what does that look like? So I'll do my regular template, plonk. And it's 3 elements. And we're going to say that they have a height. And we're going to do aspect to start with. We'll do aspect ratio 1. And then border radius 50%. Right? And then the background color, or background, sorry, is linear gradient. And it's 2 colors, right? It's this top color and then this bottom color, except for the middle one. And that is at 50% and 0. So that's what gets you that hard edge, is making sure that that stops. You can also do 50% here, but 0 is all you need to make it work. If you get the units wrong there, you get nothing. If you do it in pixels, in this case, it happens to work out because it's 100 pixels tall. But if you make it taller, which we need to do, then that doesn't work. So you got to do a percent. Alrighty. There's the first one. It looks like yellow is. We got to change that yellow background. Great. Today, let's use Flexbox. It's more verbose. So if we display flex, we don't need the margins, and then everything gets handled, right? And I think that what we want to do is var variabilize our widths and heights. So if I do var of dash dash h comma 200, and then we set a b and we set a c, and then on b we set a different value for dash dash h, we get a smaller one, right? And then for c, even smaller, what, 25? H colon 25? Too small, huh? 30? 40? 50? All right, and we display flex so we get them all, but we got to justify content and align items, and then we get it, which is pretty good. Now we got a problem with the middle one, right? It's upside down. So what do we got to do with that? Now we could do a whole different linear gradient, obviously, and flop those colors. And that would work. But you know, we could flop it, transform, and we could rotate it. So we could do rotate 180 degrees and do it. So that's another way. And then we've got transform scale y -1 That's another way to do it. And that's probably the shortest, right? Now, we've got something fun here. Is that these three numbers have a relationship, don't they? So this is half the size of this, and this is half the size of that. So if we do, instead, I think we can set height of 200, and then we just eliminate these variables. Now they're all the same. Well, we don't need the C anymore, and we don't need that anymore, but we do need that. So now we do P plus P, and we do height is 50%. No, that's not right, is it? That's not right at all. Oh, can we, what can we do? Oh, because they're not in the same container. They're not containing each other. So this was not a great idea, but that's the idea, right? And this is the this is a demo I made a long time ago. This is, I've never done this. Well, let's see. What's the site? What's the page I'm thinking of? CSS. That's not the link. What's the link? So this is a good example. So this is a site that I built a long time ago, and then I recently upgraded. Forgive me. So this is the demo, right? So if you set font size to expand, if you nest it, then it's bigger each time. That's the theory. So that's the thinking that I was doing there. But it's a bad idea. So I think that we stick with what we had. It's fine. It's just fine, okay? --h, comma 200, and then we got actually, oh no, it's even better. So okay, I was talking so much. Var, so we can do a calc of 200 divided by var h of 1. And then we can do --h of no, we do yeah, divided by 2, divided by 2. 200 divided by, and then so h2. Is that gonna work? There we go. And then this stage h is 4. So there's some using some math. Now it'll be funny if I'm wrong and this is not 100% match. Nope, it's 100% match. So using the CSS variables, we managed to do it all. Yeah, we did what we needed to do. And then we don't need that attribute. We still need the B. We still need the middle one. In theory, we could do a P plus P plus P. I'm not crazy about that. I think setting the attribute is fine. Okay, so do I keep aspect ratio 1 like that? Yeah, I think that's fine. And interestingly, so there's another nuance. So it doesn't like the CSS renderer does not like doing an operation and not having a unit on it. So, and I get that. It makes a certain amount of sense. It's okay with the default pixels in other cases. All right, so let's minify. And let's unit replace, which we got a few things. And we submit, and we did it. I will put my ancient link here, created in March of 2001. I'll put that in the notes, and then I'll also put the ArtLung Logo-i-zer that I created today as well. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.